Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial from IT. This is tutorial number 42, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the freeze panes option. So let's get started. So sometimes it happens when you're working with large amount of data and you have lots of records. When you scroll down, you see the heading goes out of the view. So if I scroll down over here, you are seeing some numbers, but you don't know what these numbers actually are. And same is the case when you move horizontally. If your table is wide enough and you move horizontally towards right, you see some records, but you don't know these records are associated with which customer ID or whatever ID you have. So in this case, what you need is that you need to fix the first column or first row so that when you scroll, the first column or the first row doesn't go out of the view. So in this case, what we can do is we can go onto the view tab. In the view tab under the window command group, you're gonna see over here we have the button for freeze panes. In the tooltip, you can see freeze a portion of the sheet to keep it visible while you scroll through the rest of the sheet. So when I click on that, you get the option freeze pane, freeze top row, and freeze first column. So as of now, I'm going to show you the first option over here. So as of now, I'm going to show you this option, freeze top row. So I click on that, and you see over here a gray line you are seeing, a dark line you are seeing over here. That represent that this first record has been frozen. So when I scroll down over here, now I can see that the first record is not going out of the view, but I'm able to scroll the other records. So this is the main objective of freeze pane. Now if you want to freeze the first column, so I just need to go over here and click on freeze first column, and then you see over here we have a vertical line appearing. So now what will happen is when I move right, the first column is not going out of the view, so it's always visible. Okay, so this is how we can perform the operation. Now I will be unfreezing the panes and that lines are gone. Now not always it happens that whatever heading you are having or whatever header column you are having, that is the first row. Maybe you have some other information. For instance, I have a company name or any other thing over here. I have company name over here. Let's put it as a title. And now in this case, I want to perform the freeze operation. I want to have the header row always visible and the first column always visible. So in this particular condition, what you need to do is you just need to put the cursor over here below the heading row and on the right hand side of the heading column, and then I will be performing the freeze operation. So in this case, now again I'm going to go to view, freeze panes. Now instead of selecting freeze top row or first column, I'm going to go ahead with the freeze pane option. So when I say freeze pane, whatever is the active cell, whatever cells are above and whatever cells are on the left hand side of the active cell, they will get frozen. So when I click on that, and now you can see the line is appearing over here, horizontal line, and this is the vertical line. So now if I scroll down, you see over here the first four records are always visible, and if I move right, the first column is always visible. So this is the main objective of freeze pane. And if you want to remove it, again I can click unfreeze panes and it's unfrozen. So hope you found this video useful. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.